Hang on tight.
F off.
I am already freaked the F out right now.
You love it and you know it.
Oh, shit, David, I don't know.
I can drive.
Just remember, if you fall up the side, you probably won't remember it.
Terrified of heights, but addicted to mountain views. That's me. I can barely climb a ladder, but I love off-roading in the mountains. It's a strange contradiction, one that has me gripping the wheel a little too tight as I crawl along narrow shelf roads with 1,000-foot drop-offs.
What idea was this? This is nuts. Hey everyone, I'm Tammy, aka Jeep Momma, and today I'm going to talk about off-roading with a fear of heights. It can be debilitating.
The more experience you get.
It doesn't matter, David. I could do this 50 times and it'll be the same.
Look at confidence.
I have confidence. It's just fucking scary.
Okay.
Holy shit.
It's something I face every single time I hit those cliffside trails, and it never gets easier.
Jesus.
But I've learned how to push through it.
I know, just
If you've got that same fear, you're not alone. And I've got some Jeep-specific tips that might help you. My first experience was in 2017 on Hell's Revenge in Moab, Utah.
Nice job. Now, we're always looking ahead, right? We're never breathe. Okay, good job. Now, we're never gonna lose sight of ahead because with our GKs, we have these huge hoods, right?
Yep. Oh my God.
Keep going. You're fine. Breathe. Just don't forget to breathe. I got water here too, so I got you, girl.
But luckily I
Can't
had
see 'cause of the
Charlene Bauer
sun.
with me in the
Am I in the right
passenger
path?
seat to give me that
Perfect.
confidence
Oh, Jesus.
to keep pushing
Breathe.
through and keep going
breathing.
up that trail. That fear of
my
heights for
God.
me will never go
Okay.
away,
We're not
so I
going
just
anywhere. No, I
have to
know.
keep
Shit.
pushing
Oh,
through it.
you're
How do I
fine.
do
You're
that?
fine.
Well, here are
You're
some
fine.
of my
There's no way I
tips
could've done
that
this
will
for
help
you.
you
You're fine.
push through
You're
your
good.
fears.
I got you. Nothing. Yeah, just keep breathing. Nothing is gonna happen.
Runs in it.
But like I was talking about in the park, it's all relative. What's mild for somebody could be scary as heck for somebody else.
This trip I was driving a friend's Jeep in the Bighorn Basin in Wyoming.
That's my way of saying I do understand.
The Bighorn Basin in north central Wyoming is a vast and diverse landscape known for its striking natural beauty and geological formations. Nestled between the Bighorn Mountains and several other mountain ranges, it stretches across the rugged terrain and expansive plains. The basin is defined by its dramatic contrast from rolling hills and sagebrush-covered plateaus to deep canyons carved by ancient rivers.
Yes, because I learned my lesson.
Let's start with the mental game because that is half the battle. When you're hanging on the edge, literally, it's okay to feel scared. Don't beat yourself up. Fear is your brain doing its job. Tip number 1, acknowledge that fear without judgment. Say to yourself, yep, this is scary, but I've got this. Tip number 2, use deep breathing to calm your nerves. Breathe in for 4, hold for 4, out for 4. It slows your heart rate and brings you back into the moment. I tend to make guttural noises when I'm doing my breathing and curse a lot. It seems to help me. Tip number 3, focus on the trail, not the drop or the views, just the trail. Where your eyes go, your Jeep goes. Look forward, keep your focus where you want the Jeep to go, not off the edge. One thing that really helps me is a mantra I repeat in my head when it gets intense. Tip number 4, create your own mantra. Something like slow and steady, steady is safe. My mantra in my head is don't be a chicken, don't be a chicken. Mindset is crucial, but so is trust in your Jeep and in your skills. Tip number 5, know your Jeep. If you've got lockers, off-road tires, what kind of clearance, remind yourself your Jeep is built for this. And you've seen other Jeeps do the same thing that you are just getting ready to do. Tip number 6, Take it slow. Don't worry about the others getting too far ahead or slowing the group down. Use low range, slow crawl. Going slow gives you more control and more confidence. Tip number 7. Ride with a spotter or have someone in your passenger seat to tell you you've got this. A good spotter sees what you can't. The extra set of eyes could be a game changer. Tip number 8, communicate. If you're in a group ride, speak up and say, "Hey, I'm nervous about this stretch of the trail. Can someone coach me through it?" Most off-roaders would be glad to help. This community is so incredible and understanding. Tip number 9, you don't have to conquer the biggest shelf road on day 1. Start small. Pick trails that are challenging but manageable and stack those wins. Each successful trail rewires your brain. I can do hard things. For me, those shelf roads are hard because of my fear of heights. They're easy trails, but with a fear of heights, they're hard. But I don't let that stop me. I just keep pushing through my fears.
Holy fuck. We're at the top of a fucking mountain.
Almost.
Oh.
For more Jeep tips and how-tos, click the subscribe button and check out my blog at www.jeepmama.com.